Hi guys, so today we'll be talking about cinnamon. So the last spice I talked about on my channel was cloves. Yeah, I talked about cloves and we looked into so many of the benefits of cloves, so many things you can do with cloves, and we tried some things also. So moving forward, I'll be needing cinnamon. I'll be using it in so many of my dishes, and I might come up with one or two things you can do with cinnamon apart from cooking. So before we start that, let us actually get to know some of the benefits of adding cinnamon to your everyday life. So in this video, I'll be telling you some benefits of cinnamon, so at least you get to know what I'm introducing to you guys. So please don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you've not. Also, kindly turn on the notification bell after subscribing. Thank you. And leave in the comment section one or two things you know about cinnamon that I didn't mention. Thank you.
Okay, so this is cinnamon and this is what the powdered form look like. So yeah, if you hear the aroma from this thing, oh my goodness, like the aroma is killing. Like it is wow. So tell me why you won't want to add this to your food, even if it's just for the aroma alone. Anyways, yeah, this is how it looks like. So I just put up the seal and I'm going to turn the cinnamon into this foil so you can get a clearer look at it while we move into the benefits of having cinnamon or adding cinnamon to your everyday life. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you've not. Also, kindly help us turn on the notification bell after subscribing so that anytime we post a new video, you'll be notified. Okay, so some of the reasons why you need to add cinnamon to your everyday life, either by eating or by drinking, that's either adding it to your food or adding it to your tea or stuff like that, is because number one, cinnamon is high in antioxidants, which may help protect against disease, inflammation, and aging. So it is loaded with antioxidants. And again, cinnamon manage type 2 diabetes. So if you're struggling with diabetes, you would actually need cinnamon. Then again, cinnamon helps reduce the cholesterol level, and it also helps reduce blood pressure. Cinnamon is also protective against cancer, and it helps fight against acne and all of that. If you remember, I said it has some anti-aging properties when I started. Yeah, so it acts as an antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal, and all of that. So you have seen some, though not all, but some of the reasons why you need to add cinnamon to your everyday life. So these are just some of the benefits.